Bro, I'm hearing some G moaning down here. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's wagwan. Who the hell are these people, man? Nah, I don't want to miss my boss, but we'll have to see it from here. Okay, here's the boss. It's coming round the corner. Alright, I want to show you, man, something about these early LX11s compared to the rest of the LX11 batch. Because these early LX11s like 36280, 36, like all the 36226, so 36261 to 36281, I think, all have these special bits compared to the newer LX11s like 36282 plus. Alright, so this is 36280, yeah. So it has this here instead of there, and then it has that there instead of here, and then it has different stuff inside instead of the red one. Look, it has the orange one instead of the red one that says bus stopping, and then the door button here is slightly lower here instead of upper there. I'll do a special difference video on 2011 E200s like this soon, don't worry. Go Ahead London have the same thing with their SEs on the 276 and 300 and that. So do Metroline with the LK10s and LK11s. Anyway, let you man hear the special Voith. The lovely Voith. can't lie, yeah. If this guy wants beef when he comes out of that seat, I'm ready. Man's ready, you know. I'm ready for it. I already work out as it is, so I'm ready. I'm ready for it. Bring it on. Bro, I swear to God, yeah, this always happens, bro. Whenever you're ready for beef, yeah, it doesn't come your way. But when you're not ready for it, that's life, man. When you're not, challenges happen when you don't expect them. When you expect a challenge and you're 100% ready for it, most of the time it won't come your way. Like that boy, bro, he was bare looking at me, bro. So I was like, if this guy looks at me one more time, I'll beat him the fuck up if he wants beef with me, yeah. But he didn't look at me at all, bro, and he just left the bus, bro. I swear to God, bro, life is funny, bro. But if I was like, like I used to be, he would have came to me and like, what are you recording for? I swear to God, bro, life is annoying, you know. Life annoys me sometimes, man. It's funny at the same time, bro. Cause like stuff happen when you're off guard. The challenges most of the time happen, yeah, when you're off guard. Life, man. Life's interesting. I'll tell you that for a fact. Life is interesting. You can't win sometimes. Sometimes you can't win. You can win in challenges, just don't be lazy. Innit? It's just don't be lazy. And you can beat a challenge, but challenges, when you're ready for them, they don't always come for you. They don't always come for you, bro. It's annoying, bro. It actually annoys me.